reaching it for the Quran. Thank you.
Good morning. This is my body, Tibetan. But from childhood, study all Indian thought. From childhood, because I study ancient Indian thought, so mentally very close with the Indian. We do not know Indian language, but all translation from Indian text. So we study all these books which translated from Indian text. So sometimes I jokingly telling, ancient time, you Indian, our teacher, our guru. In modern time, Indian generally westernized. So we kept ancient Indian thought. So we, previously you are our teacher. Now in the modern time, Western influence come to India, then we become teacher of you. Now I become refugee, remain in this country. So knowledge which I learned from Tibetan in Tibet, now it is really my duty to make contribution for Indian revival of your ancient knowledge. It is only privilege to serve revival of ancient Indian thought.
Most of us are from the sports, and we all know like a mind is important in the sports. In every minute, I think 60,000 thoughts comes in the mind. And the mind got a tendency to slip past and the future. So how we can have a simple practice to control it?
지난주 미세면토 미다 가서 우리 그게 소소 프로페셔널 시체 두스는 게 아래. and 세면고 나 친구가니야. and
So, of course, you are all professional sportsmen, women, and of course, I have also played childhood games, not so much sports like you. And so those were days gone by. But apart from those small games, I have not really played any sports. And so, and then with regard to controlling the mind, I mean, the Buddhist technique is to, to develop insight into the reality of things, truth. And in order to do that, you need to investigate, analyze things, and then come to some conclusion. And once you come to that conclusion, you need to focus your mind so that you can strengthen your, concentration, and then develop that concentration further to, in turn, help insight. So that's how we, in the Buddhist training, we do training the mind. So it's been many years now since I've been doing this, analytical meditation, and as well as, meditation altruism. So for decades, having done this practice for many decades now, I can say that I have some experience of the insight into reality, which in Tibetan Buddhism is called emptiness, and then also the experience of spirit of the altruistic spirit of enlightenment, which is the intention to become a Buddha for the benefit of all sentient beings, And so with the help of these experiences of meditation on altruism, this bodhicitta, or the spirit of enlightenment, what happens is the result of it is calmness in my mind. And then because of this meditation on emptiness, what it has helped me is not to have so much, kind of clinging and grasping at absolute nature of things as such, as if there is some kind of solidity in things. And so, having done this meditation on altruism as well as the reality of things, what I found is what is taught in the scriptures becomes something, alive within me. Yes. With the help of altruism, you have a peaceful mind, calm state of mind that in turn helps physical health. And then, because of meditation on emptiness, the things are all dependently related. And it has helped me to see that there's nothing absolute in things. Everything is relative. And therefore, even though you hear bad or good, news, it doesn't really disturb you emotionally. You can maintain your emotion and peace of mind.